I need over 53 cars to pass right now to buy a brand new car. Come on, let's go. This is a cheap car. Come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, over 53. Brand new car. Not brand new, second hand. Facebook Marketplace. Come on, let's go. Alright, wait, I think that counted just 2. We need over 53 right now. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Looking doable. Looking doable. 8 seconds left. Count them. Come on, keep on going. A few more. One more, 2 more. Good, we got it. Let's go.